Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to edit photos on Android 16. Let's begin. First, you want to go to our gallery. For me, it's the Google Photos. And oh no, we are missing out. I don't care. So now we can go into a photo of ours. So I will go for this beautiful photo of the black plant I have right here. And now in order to edit the photo, we simply hit edit icon. Now we have few options and well, maybe not few, maybe a lot of options because there are a lot of options here. The very first one is suggestions. This is basically AI powered thing. If we go with enhance, it will automatically enhance our photo using AI. You can always go with warmer colors or colder colors, but I will leave them as this. Then we have the crop. The crop is pretty self-explanatory. We can crop the photo. We can change its size by doing that, for example. So you can go back. We can also always just rotate it, and we can have different presets of the size of our thing. So we can, for example, do this. We can do this. And let's hit done, and as you can see, it is changed. If we go further by doing that, we will see that it is pretty funny because we can make it look big. Our big plant, amazing. And then we have tools. These are both AI powered tools. It's for unblur and also magic eraser. Though we do have other videos on that topic. Then we have adjust. In here you can basically customize each aspect of your photo, so you can basically like create custom filters with it. And speaking of filters, we have them right here. By default we have the none, then we have like honey, we have deserts, we have Modena, West, Metro, all of that. It's all pretty cool. So then we have markup as the last option. It's for the pen, highlighter and text. So for example, we can add a custom text. I'll go with XD. Let's give it a green color. Let's put it here. And you can also highlight it. So for example, we can like do this and like draw something. So I will draw a little funny face on my plant. And yeah. Now I will hit done, I will save copy, and as you can see here it's our changed photo and here is the original. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.